Hello, I hope you are doing well. Today we want to look at money, and on money we want to look at profit and loss. For primary kids, this is your work. For junior school learners, this is your work. And even for secondary students, you are welcome to this topic. So, profit. What is profit? Profit is made when the selling price is higher than the buying price. Okay, when you buy something to go and sell, you buy at a price and you go and sell to make a profit. So when you sell at a higher price than what you bought, the difference between that selling price and the buying price is what we call the profit. And this is the formula of finding the profit. Profit is selling price minus buying price. On the other hand, loss is made when the selling price is lower than the buying price. Yes, when you buy goods to sell. Now, when you are going to sell, instead of selling at a higher price, you sell at a lower price because of various reasons. So if you make the sales lower, it means you are making a loss. Okay? You are making a loss. For instance, if you bought something at 300 and you go and sell and at 200, it means you are making a loss. You are not gaining profit. And the formula of getting a loss is buying price minus selling price. Even if you use this formula, it will give you negative. Still, it is the same, because negative means you have made a loss. But if you use this formula and get a positive value, it means you have made profit. Okay, so you want us to do some examples. All right, our first example is here. A trader bought a bicycle at Kenya shillings 8,000 and sold it for 9,500 Kenya shillings. Find the profit and find the percentage profit. So this is how we do it. It's very simple. We said profit is equals to selling price minus buying price. Selling price minus buying price. So what's our selling price in this case? Our selling price is 9,500. And what is our buying price? Buying price is 8,000. So to find the profit using the formula, profit is equals to 9,500 minus 8,000. What could be your answer? Quickly in the comment section, what is the answer? Okay, the answer is 1,500 Kenya shillings. That is the profit the trader made. Now the next question is, what is the percentage profit? So we are supposed to express this profit in percentage. Percentage profit is equals to profit over the buying price times 100. So profit over buying price times 100. That's how we express profit into percentage. Our profit is what? Is 1,500. What's our buying price? 8,000. So what is our percentage? We multiply by 100. If we multiply by 100, we can cancel this one out. This 0 and this one. So we have 15 and 8. 15 and 8. What do we do next? We can multiply this one and this one. We will have 150 over 8. 150 over 8. So the percentage profit will be 18. 6 and 8 can be simplified to get 3 over 4%. That's how we find the percentage profit of that trader. We have example 2 here. Example 2 states a merchant bought a bag for 2,400 Kenya shillings and wanted to make 25%. A 25% profit. What should be the selling price? So what do we do here? What do? We have to find the selling price, because the buying price is 2,400. So what's the selling price? But we are told that the selling price, if he makes the sale, he has to make 25% profit. So what does it mean? Buying price is equals to 100%, is equals to 2,400. What about the selling price, which will be, if he makes a 25% profit, it means the selling price is 125% of the buying price. So what will be the selling price? So it will be 125 over 100 times 2,400. So what could be the selling price? We do this 125 times 24. The selling price could be 3,000 Kenya shillings. So that's how that will be the selling price. All right, I hope you have understood it well. We have example 3. Example 3, which states that a laptop was sold for 3,000, that's 6,000, at a 20% profit. Find the cost price. So what do we do here? We come and say the selling price is equal to, remember the buying price was 100%, but when they sold, they make the profit of 20%. So the selling price will be 120%. I don't know whether you have understood me. The buying price was 100%, but when they sold at this, they made a profit of 20%. So what is the extra percentage? It is 100% plus this 20%. We have 120%. So 120% is equals to that 6,000. Now, if our selling price is 120% and it is equal to that 6,000, so what is our buying price, which is at 100%? Okay, so this is what we do. We come and say 100 over 120 times that 6,000. So we can dismantle this one and this one. 12 cancels here itself 1 times, and here 3 times. So this is 300. So our buying price will be 300 times 100, which will give us 30,000. That's how we do it. I don't know if you have a question, but I want to give you an assignment. Yes, that is our assignment. Once you're done with the assignment, please send your answers to the comment section of this video. Thank you so much, and if you have any question, please ask the comment section and we will be glad to answer you. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel and Facebook and Instagram, please follow us and subscribe to our pages, and we shall very thankful.